Are you a Northwest Indiana homeowner looking for fast, simple answers to a home improvement problem? Today, Dave Kusiak and Contractor Bob break down one of the most searched home improvement questions in our area. But there's a catch. They've got just 2 minutes to give you the solution. The clock is ticking. Let's make it happen.
Bob, 50 plus years of experience. This isn't our first kitchen.
No, not quite.
And so one of
But
the things,
this is an important one.
yeah, they all are.
They all are.
Even as much as we've done, the one thing that we want to make sure is we may have done thousands of kitchens, but you're doing one. It's yours. So we're going to.
And if you're a Northwest Indiana homeowner, leave your home improvement challenge in the comments below. Like, follow, and share this video so you get notified when we answer more of Northwest Indiana's top home improvement searches.